Watching What's New LA, and this is our new show, California Food Angel. Yay! Listen, we're gonna go with you step by step, like a baby step. And the first step for us as a baby step to be more healthy, each one of the girls here, one of the angels, gonna give you her best tip. My first tip is gonna be, don't eat the 4 bad whites, and eat milk product and milk, white flour, white sugar, and white salt. It's bad for you. It's really like poison for your body. Your body, it's actually your house. First, start to love it today, even though maybe you're going to start a diet tomorrow. But the first step is stop the 4 white. And then I'm going to give you more recipe with my angels. And if you're happy with that and you like it, please invite us to your kitchen.